Replacing column values in a Pandas data frame. I'm trying to replace the values in one column of a data frame. The column, female, only contains the values female and male. I have tried the following, but receive the exact same copy of the previous results. I would ideally like to get some output which resembles the following loop element-wise. I've looked through the gotchas documentation, this URL, but cannot figure out why nothing happens. Any help will be appreciated.
If I understand right, you want something like this. Here I convert the values to numbers instead of strings containing numbers. You can convert them to 1 and 0 if you really want, but I'm not sure why you'd want that. The reason your code doesn't work is because using female on a column, the second female in your W female doesn't mean select rows where the value is female. It means to select rows where the index is female, of which there may not be any in your data frame.
You can edit a subset of a data frame by using lock. In this case,
See pandas.dataframe.replace docs.
Slight variation.
This should also work.